So I've just got back into photography. It's been maybe a couple of years since I've really sort of had a go at it in terms of using Lightroom and Photoshop. So I did have a drawing tablet back then, which made editing photos a hell of a lot easier than just using a mouse. But unfortunately the tablet I had broke many years ago. It was a Ecamm tablet. I had a look at the cost over the last week and they're rather expensive, so I went with this one, which had good reviews on Amazon. So no further ado, let's get it unboxed and see what it is. Right. Okay, so this is it. It's an XP pen, Star 6 wireless tablet, and I think this cost me £60 or £70. I'll put a link in the description. But I didn't want a small tablet because I was used to sort of the larger ones. So this one had quite a few good reviews. And it's wireless, because I've got that many things plugged into the Mac Studio. It's ridiculous. So this will just be an unboxing. Obviously, as I use it, I will do another video to let you know what my thoughts are about it. So if you haven't already subscribed, please do, and you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Seems like a decent size. So there it is. You have some programmable buttons, decent clicky, which is good, and a wheel, which I have no doubt I'll probably, is it a clicker? No, which I'll probably use for the brush size in Photoshop. Good sized area for drawing. Up here there's the power light, wireless light and battery indicator, if you can see that. On the back, not a great deal. The on-off switch is at the back, and also behind here is the rechargeable battery. And also, if I can get it out, is the wireless doobry thingy. Not sure what it's called, but the wireless thing that plugs in to the computer. Also included is, let's take these things out. I think that's everything. So, what's this? This is a holder for the pen, and also, as it shows on the back, it opens up, is where you can store replacement nibs for the pen. And I'll show you those because I've just spotted them in this pack. So in the accessories pack is the charging cable. Looks as though it's micro USB rather than USB-C. There is the pen. Feels okay. It's got what looks to be controllable buttons. Oh, sorry, programmable buttons. And then we have the replacement nibs. I think that's what they're called, nibs, points. Not sure. And they go into here so that you can store them away safely. And then you can close this up, and then the pen goes into here, or like that. Warranty card, a thank you for purchasing card. There is a glove which I believe is so that the surface doesn't pick your palm up as a stroke. I think, but I will use it and let you know. Quick start guide. So I'll say it's just an unboxing. If you want to know anything in particular, I can drop a note in the comments below, and I will let you know as I use it and what the setup was like. But that's it for now. I will do a review as and when I get used to it, so I'll start processing images and using the tablet. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, please do, and hit the little bell icon, and as and when I upload videos, you will be notified. Thanks for watching.